This problem, sixth problem, given a equal to x such that x equal to 6n, n belongs to w and n less than 6. B is the set x such that x equal to 2n, here n belongs to capital N, 2 less than n less than or equal to 9. And C is the set x such that x equal to 3n, n belongs to capital N, 4 less than n less than 10. Then you have to show that A difference B intersection C equal to A difference B union A difference C. Here the set A, B, C are given indirectly. You have to find out what is A and B and C. First take A. A is given as x such that x equal to 6n. Here n belongs to W and n less than 6. That means n belongs to W means W takes values 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Here n must be less than 6. So you must take less than 6. So up to 5 you have to take. So n takes values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. For each value find x. What is x given? X equal to 6n. Put n equal to 0. You get x equal to 6 into 0 equal to 0. N equal to 1. X equal to 6 into 1, 6. N equal to 2. X equal to 6 into 2, 12. N equal to 3. Then x equal to 6 into 3, 18. N equal to 4. Then x equal to 6 into 4, 24. N equal to 5. Then x equal to 6 into 5 equal to 30. So the set A is given as 0, 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30. This is the set A. Now find the set B. B is given as x such that x equal to 2n, here n belongs to capital N and 2 less than n less than or equal to 9. Here n means natural number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. Here n takes values less than or equal to 9, up to 9 you have to take, here is not equal to omit 2, from 3 to 9 you have to take 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the values of n. Now x equal to the given 2n. For each number, first number 3, n equal to 3, you find 2 in x equal to 2 into 3. That means 6. N equal to 4, x equal to 2 into 4, 8. N equal to 5, then x equal to 2 into 5, 10. N equal to 6, then x equal to 2 into 6, 12. N equal to 7, then x equal to 2 into 7, 14. Then n equal to 8, then x equal to 2 into 8 equal to 16. Then n equal to 9, then x equal to 2 into 9 equal to 18. These are the values of the set B. So B is given as 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. This is the set B. Now come to the set C. C equal to x such that x equal to 3n. Here n belongs to natural number capital N and 4 less than or equal to n less than 10. You must include from 4 to less than 10 up to 9. So n takes values 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now find out the C. X equal to 3n. Put n equal to 4. You get x equal to 3 into 4. 12. N equal to 5. 3 into 5. Then n equal to 6. 3 into 6 equal to 18. N equal to 7. Then x equal to 3 into 7. 21. N equal to 8. Then x equal to 3 into 8. 24. Then n equal to 9. X equal to 3 into 9 equal to 27. Therefore, the set C is 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. This is the set C. Now write all the sets one by one. A is 0, 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30. B is the set 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. C is the set 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. You have find out the A set, B set and C set. You have to prove A difference B intersection C equal to A difference B union A difference C. First find the LHS. For that you have first find out B intersection C. What is B? 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. Intersection what is C? 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 and 27. What is the common between? Only 12 is common and 18 is common. Only two elements, that is 12 and 18 only common. Now find the A difference B intersection C. What is A? 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Difference 12 and 18. 12 is there and 18 is there. So what is the remaining number? 0, 6, 24 and 30. This is equation number 1. For RHS you have find out A difference B. What is A? 0, 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30. Difference B. B is 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. Now find the difference. 6 is there. Then 12 is also there. Then 18 is also there. So the remaining number 0, 24 and 30. Next, A difference C. Again A is 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Difference what is C? 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 and 27. Find the difference. 12 is there. Then 18 is also there. 24 is also there. The remaining numbers 0, 6, 30. 0, 6 and 30. Now find RHS. A difference B union A difference C. You have to combine these two numbers, then you get 0, 6, 24 and 30. This is equation 2. The first and second equation are equal. So from 1 and 2, you find out A, B intersection C equal to A difference B union C. This is the De Morgan's difference law. So you have to get A difference B intersection C equal to A difference B union A difference C. This problem. A is given -2 0 1 3 5, B set is -1 0 2 5 6 and C set is -1 2 5 6 7. You have to show that A difference B union C equal to A difference B intersection A difference C. For LHS we first find out B union C. What is B? -1 0 2 5 6 union C -1 2 5 6 7. Intersection union means add all the numbers. -1 0 2 5 6 7. This is union of B union C. Then A difference B union C equal to what is A? -2 0 1 3 5. Difference B union C means -1 0 2 5 6 and 7. Find the difference. -2. No, there 0 is there. Then 5 is there. Omit these two numbers, you get -2 1 3. This is equation number 1. Now find A difference B. What is A? -2 0 1 3 5. Difference B is -1 0 2 5 6. Find the difference. -2. No, 0 is there. 1 is not there. 3 is not there. 5 is there. Omit these two numbers, you get -2 1 3. Then find A difference C. A is -2 0 1 3 5. Difference C is -1 2 5 6 7. Find the difference. -2 is not there, 0 is not there, 1 is not also there, 3 is also there. Only one number 5 is there. So the remaining numbers are -2 0 1 3. Then you have to find intersection between these two numbers. A difference B intersection A difference C. Here is -2 is common. Next 1 is common. Then 3 is common. This is equation number 2. First equation -2 1 3. Second is -2 1 3. Both are equal. So from 1 and 2 we conclude A difference B union C equal to A difference B intersection A difference C. So we verified one more law from this problem. A equal to the set y such that y equal to A plus 1 by 2. A belongs to W, A less than or equal to 5. B y equal to 2n minus 1 by 2, n belongs to W, n less than 5. C is the set -1 by 2, 1 3 by 2 2. You have to show that A difference B union C equal to A difference B intersection A difference C. Here A and B are not given openly, so you have to find out first A. What is A? Y equal to A plus 1 by 2. Here A belongs to W, that number takes less than or equal to 5. So A equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This number you have to take. First A equal to 0. Then y equal to 0 plus 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. Then 1. Y equal to 1 plus 1 by 2. 1 plus 1, 2 by 2 equal to 1. Then a equal to 2. 2 plus 1 by 2 equal to 3 by 2. Then a equal to 3. 3 plus 1 by 2. 3 plus 1, 4 by 2 equal to 2. A equal to 4. Y equal to 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. Then last number a equal to 5. Then y equal to 5 plus 1 by 2. 6 by 2 equal to 3. So the set A is 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2, 3. This is the set A. Now find the set B. B is y equal to 2n minus 1 by 2. It is also belongs to W, then n less than 5. So n takes 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 only. 0 less than 5 up to 4. Now n equal to 0, then y equal to 2 into 0, 0 minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. N equal to 1. 2 into 1, 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. Then n equal to 2. 2 into 2, 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 by 2 equal to 3 by 2. Then n equal to 3. 3 means 2 into 3, 6 minus 1. That is 5 by 2. N equal to 4. Then y equal to 2 into 4 minus 1. 8 minus 1 equal to 7 by 2. So the set B is minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 7. You find out the set B. Write the three all the sets together. A equal to 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2 and 3. Set B is minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2 and 7 by 2. What is the set C is given? Minus 1, minus 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2 and 2. These are the sets A, B, C. Now to find A difference B union C. First we find B union C. Write B. Minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2 and 7 by 2. Union C. Minus 1, minus 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2 and 2. Find the combines. First number minus 1 by 2, minus 1, then 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, then 2, 5 by 2 and 7 by 2. Now find A difference B union C. A is the set 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2, 3. Difference minus 1 by 2, minus 1, 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2 and 7 by 2. Find the difference. 1 by 2 is there, 1 is there, 3 by 2 also there, 2 is there, 5 by 2 also there, 3 is not there. So the only element is 3. This is equation number 1. Now find A difference B. A is 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2, 3. Difference B. Minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2 and 7 by 2. Difference 1 by 2 is there, 1 is not there, 3 by 2 is there, Then 5 by 2 also there. So the rest is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now find the difference A, difference C. Right, again A 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2 and 3. Difference C is minus 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2 and 2. Now we find the difference. 1 by 2 is not there, 1 is there, 3 by 2 is there, 2 is there, then 5 by 2 and 3 is not there, then 1 by 2, 5 by 2 and 3. Now we find the intersection between these two numbers. A difference B, intersection A difference C. This is A minus difference B. In this only one element is common, that is 3. Take this as equation number 2. 1 is also 3, second is also 3. So from 1 and 2 we find out A difference B union C equal to A difference B intersection A difference C. This question number 9. Verify A difference B intersection C equal to A difference B union A difference C using Venn diagram for LHS B intersection C and then A difference B intersection C. Here is 3 sets. You draw 3 sets. A set, B set and C set and name them A, B, C. Here you have to find out B intersection C. What is common between B and C means this portion. This is B intersection C. Next, A difference B intersection C. Draw once more 3 sets. Name them as A, B, C. Here A difference B intersection C. That means you omit A. In the A part, you omit this portion. So the remaining portion you have to shade out. This portion, this fully, and this portion also. This is A difference B intersection C. This is equation number 1 there. Next, A difference B. Again draw 3 sets. Set C. Name A, B, C. This is A difference B. A difference B. This is the portion of B. Omit this side and shadow the rest of A. This is A difference B. Next, A difference C. This is C, A, B, C. A difference C. This is C. Omit C in A, then you get the remaining part. This is A difference C. Now next, draw once again A, B, C. Name them A, B, C. Here you have to find out A difference B union A difference C. That is both these two numbers together. You have to find out. So it comes this is A difference B union A difference C. This is equation number 2. These two diagrams are same. So from 1 and 2 we can conclude, from 1 and 2 we conclude A difference B union C equal to A difference B union A difference C. This is verification by Venn diagram.